Jumping 6 hours in the middle of a meal is a conventional eating practice. This practice involves consuming one meal or breakfast and then taking a 6-hour break before consuming the next meal or lunch. Here's a detailed explanation of the potential rationale behind this approach and its importance. 1. Meal spacing gives rest time for our stomach. By jumping 6 hours in the middle of 2 meals, you're essentially extending the resting period of your stomach by 2 hours. Because it takes an average of 4 hours for our stomach to digest food, but it will vary depending on the type of food we take. For example, to digest meat it takes more than 5 hours. If we overeat, it means our digestive process takes more than 4 hours in the stomach. If the food stays in our stomach for more than 4 hours, it has no use for our body, so eating a balanced amount at the right time is essential. Another point is, before sleep, we have to wait for 4 hours. Because when we sleep while the digestive process is not completed, our stomach takes twice as long to digest food, which is equal to 8 hours. During this sleep period, while our stomach is full, our body is at work and we get exhausted in the morning when we are trying to wake up. If you are very exhausted and want to sleep early, jumping dinner is recommended. 2. Metabolic benefits. Insulin is released in response to eating, especially after consuming carbohydrates, to help manage blood sugar. A 6-hour gap between meal portions gives the body ample time to process the initial food intake, allowing insulin levels to drop back to baseline. This can enhance insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for preventing metabolic disorders like type 2 diabetes. 3. Digestive health. The 6-hour break gives the digestive system time to fully process the first portion of the meal before the next intake. This can prevent digestive overload, improve nutrient absorption, and reduce the likelihood of digestive discomfort such as bloating or indigestion. 4. Hormonal benefits. Ghrelin and leptin balance. Ghrelin, the hunger hormone, increases before meals, signaling the body to eat. After eating, leptin, the satiety hormone, tells the brain that you're full. A 6-hour break allows these hormones to function effectively, helping you better understand your true hunger cues and avoid unnecessary snacking. Cortisol management. Cortisol, the stress hormone, can be influenced by eating patterns. By spacing out meals, cortisol levels may be better regulated, which can positively affect overall stress levels and support metabolic health. 5. Mental and emotional well-being. Mindful eating. Taking a significant break between portions of a meal encourages mindfulness in eating. You become more aware of your hunger and satiety signals, which can lead to a healthier relationship with food and reduced emotional eating. Fasting or taking a break between meals can sometimes lead to improved mental clarity and focus. Without the energy demands of constant digestion, some people experience heightened cognitive function during fasting periods.